What's up, guys? Trainer Mystic back here with another vlog, and in today's vlog, this is a very special vlog because your boy got his Master Ball, and I just completed the Let's Go research, and so now I know I still have to finish the Instinctive Hero, but don't worry, I'll be getting it finished. Don't worry. So I gotta take a picture, and the Grass and Gratitude too. So I gotta take pictures, raspberry, everything, but I don't need to catch anything. So yeah, turn on that daily incense, and let's get let me hopefully get a Galar Bird. I need to catch this, so we need to raspberry, snap a picture because it's a flying type. Boom. Let me make sure that went through. Snapshots of grass. Okay, yep. Let me take another picture of oh, so it didn't work, okay. Oh, no, yes it did. Well, this one didn't. Who's that? Oh! I hear you too. Okay, that worked. Okay, let's see. That worked. Okay, so raspberry. Take a picture. I can take a... I can't, okay. Okay, Froakie. Take a picture of you. Boom. Easy money. Why did you not do anything? Oh, okay. Hi. Bruh. Imagine. Okay, I need grass types. Okay, we need to also catch too. Catch. Picture. Yep. Berry. Okay, I think they got something done. Yeah, we did. Jump left, but that's a flying type, I think. Well, that's also a grass type. That's a grass type. Okay, and it didn't catch. Great. Okay, don't want to get over to the Master Ball. Don't want to use... Guys, remember what I said. Don't use the Master Ball unless it's a special Pokemon you're trying to catch. Like a Galar Bird. So I'll be trying to vlog every day. Yeah, okay, that was not good. Right, these. Okay, what else? Okay, got those done. Grass types. Raspberries. Okay. So I still need to use raspberries. Easy. We have 190. Oh, Pokestops over here. Oh, wait. Yeah, it's right here. We got some eggs hatching up. Gotta get some more grass types to spawn. Go back. That's perfect. Alright. I already used that hound door. Okay, let's see. Boom. Okay, that easy done. Okay. Is this gonna be a shadow raid? Maybe no, I don't think so. No, that's a mega raid actually. Okay, we're going. Let's get some Galar Birds. I really want it to be a Galar or Articuno. I doubt it. So, but let's just hope it is. Let's hope I get one. If I do. Okay, still got some eggs from my trip to Aruba. Okay, get that done. So I guess now I just need grass type. So there's not a single grass type. It's sad. I don't have any alert modules. I don't. I wish I did, but I don't. Skarupi. Wait, is it wild or it is? Yeah. I just need another hot pip or something to spawn. So, what is this? Yeah, it is a mega scraggy. So yeah, one grass types can spawn. We got this. So yeah. Is that 10 point? Oh, it's gonna actually might hatch soon. I was wrong. It's gonna be hatching soon. So yeah, let's see what we get. Staravia. Ew. Quill. Hisuian quillfish. Okay, let's see. So we got about 8 minutes left on the daily instance. So let's see if what we get. Hopefully we get a Galar Bird. I've encountered a Galarian Moltres already. Way before the Master Ball came out. Back in February, I believe I got it. I didn't get it, but you know what I mean. I encountered it, but I didn't actually get it, unfortunately. Bidoof. Not shiny. So I just want a grass type, but there's no grass types. Gotta go around the Hempy, spin some stops. I'm already done with all the grunts, so we should be fine with that. Yeah. So I just gotta hatch this egg, which is at 10.1 out of 12. Get that normal incense. Hopefully maybe attract a grass type. Pucciano, always check for shinies, of course. Because you never know. Houndour. I'm just gonna cross right here. Stunky. That was a car. Daily incense can provide me with a Galar Bird. Let's see what we can get. There's still no grass types spawning. That's not fun. Not doing this mega pincer because I have no one to do it with. Now I wonder if they're gonna release I'm sure they're gonna probably release a new mega during GoFest, I'm sure. But you never know. They could or they couldn't. Skarupi Spotlight Hours tonight, so maybe I'll vlog, I don't know. It all depends on how I feel today. Maybe I will. I don't know yet. I just need a grass type. Okay guys, there's gonna be a lot of noise because there must be doing some construction here. definitely are. No one, I don't want to swing quillfish. I think quillfish, you have to raid, I believe. Yeah, not doing that. There's a whooper. That's not a good sign, though. Your boy got no lure modules. A diggerlet. What is that? A blitzel. Okay. Let's see. Give me that grass type energy vibes. Give me something, please. Me needs a grass type, and me needs... I only need one grass type, I think, because I can take 3 more pictures of it. No, but we got a coughing. Not what I want. Oh, shit. Ah, God. Sorry. Sorry, guys. I didn't mean to say that. Grass type, I think I might be able to take the same picture like 3 more times. Not sure. Sorry, guys. Sometimes it'll just randomly come out, but you know I'm better than that, guys. Well, then I'll be getting a grass type, probably. I'm glad I got more of that research done. Got that master ball done today. I didn't want to start my video until I was in front of my house. So I did. I just decided to do it when I got in front of my house. Alright, about 2 minutes left. And how's that egg doing? 10.5. That's not a grass type, I think, right? Or a Koryu? No, it's an electric. Huh. I mean, I knew it was flying, but this is a bird. Most birds fly. So... Let's just hope we can get something that's not as skunky. Coughing. Go back, coughing, lily pup, picky peck. About a minute left. Okay. Check that whooper. I wouldn't mind taking a shiny whooper anytime. How am I gonna do this? I think I'm just cross, yes. Guys, I'm getting near like some school thing class. So let's pretend like nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. Nothing is happening. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. Okay. Okay, nothing's happening. Hi. Nothing's happening. Poochiana. They're talking to me. What? Whooper. Holy whooper. Okay, we're good. Any Galar Bird? No Galar Bird today. Oh, maybe tomorrow, guys. It's good. I'm not going to end, though. Well, maybe. Actually, no, I'm not going to end, but I'm going to take a shortcut that's easier to get home. So I don't have to go the same way back again. Which means, like, your boy's got to cut through the woods. So we're going to go this way. And just to let you guys know, I'm not using my daily incense, or my Master Ball, till I get the Galar Bird on the daily incense. So I gotta go this way. So I'm going through some woods to avoid having to, not that I don't like going that other way back again. I just don't feel like walking all the way back to that street again. So I'm just going through these woods. Make it easier. Because I have the shortcut sometimes. I don't think Ladybug's like that. It's a bug flying, I believe. Yeah. Okay. It's this way. I'm just gonna run over here. Squirrel. Yeah, it's this way. Trust ball. What? Okay. I remember. I gotta go this way. Keep going this way. Puchin. Not a shiny, but that's perfectly okay. Okay. Okay, let's see. This way, I believe. I think I'm going the right way. Yeah, it's this. I know it's this way. Or I know it's this way. Okay, let's see. I get through. I can't. Okay. So it's not this way. Ow. Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay, so it's not this way. Follow this trail. That should lead me the right way. There we go. We're good. That's probably better. Yeah. There we go. Okay, let's see. We're going on an adventure. Okay. Let's just go this way. And we should be good. Hope. Okay, this is a nice house. Don't know if this was the right side. Yeah, I don't think so. It's okay though. I made it out. Oh, it was up there. Oh yeah, it's definitely not right. Should have gone up that way, but I didn't. But it's okay. But we made it out. That's all that matters. That's funny. So I just saved a lot of time. Kind of. Even though I went out the wrong side. Let's go up there, but no, it's fine. I avoided the steep hill. This is always a good thing. Because, you know, it's not fun sometimes to walk up steep hills or down, too. But, yeah, let's see, yeah, I'll probably end when I get home, just in case anything else happens. So, yeah. Ekans. And yeah. Now that instance. Hey, bud. It's okay, it's just me. What's up, buddy? Hey, buddy. What's up? What's up? How you doing? It's a cool doggy. It's cool. Yes, I know. Is it cool? Goodbye. Yes, that's what all dog owners got to do. They all tell their dogs to be quiet when they start barking. Okay, bird, spear nose. Okay, I don't think I'm going to get any grass types today. But yeah, we did get the Master Ball. This is great. Daily instance hunt again tomorrow, probably, but not for that long, probably like 20 minutes, 15. Scroopy. Another scroopy. So, nope. It's no problem, though. But, yeah, other than that, had my video yesterday of Pelican, calm day, no hundos, no shundos, one tiny, but I threw away. 9 shinies, I believe. I got a CP 425 shiny, which is cool, because that's my birth date, 425, so I'd say that's pretty dope. But other than that, I mean, guess I could do an evolution. We can do this Ponyta costumed Ponyta into the Rapidash. Not that it matters, but yeah, look, we got costume to Rapidash. 1038 heat wave. So yeah. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Keep up with all my social medias. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.